Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. First, we thanks to Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala for providing physical and spiritual health, because it can be found in this presentation. Let me introduce myself. My name is Fadil Muhammad Fawaz. You can call me Fadil. I come from Bekasi. I study at Tidar University, majoring in electrical engineering class 3. This presentation I want to discuss about what parts are needed to assemble a drone like this. There are several parts that must be owned to assemble a drone: frame, flight controller, power distribution board, electronic speed controller, brushless motor, APV camera, video transmitter, battery strap, some wires and connector. First, frame. The frame is a platform for placing drone components such as flight controller, electronic speed controller, brushless motor, etc. The frame design must be proportional. If not, the drone will not fly stably. 2. Power distribution board. Power distribution board serves to divide the current or voltage that comes out of the battery and will be divided into several parts such as flight controllers, electronic speed controllers, camera, video transmitter. 3. Electronic speed controller. Electronic speed controller function to regulate the brushless motor rotation speed. Each type of ESC has a limit on the voltage current it can pass. If the voltage or current exceeds the limit, the ESC can burn. 4. Brushless motor. The brushless motor is a type of dynamo that rotates faster than a DC dynamo in general. Because this brushless motor has a larger torque, strong magnet, and the rotating part in the outset or outrunner, different from the DC dynamo in general, which rotate in the stator. 5. Camera FPV. Camera FPV function to capture the image in front of it, or you can call it eyes of the drone. 6. Video transmitter. Video transmitter function to send image signal from the camera to virtual reality. 7. Receiver. The receiver function to receive the signal sent from the remote. 8. Propeller. The propeller function to push the wind from up to bottom so that the drone can fly. The propeller has several types of tilt angles such as 40, 43, 48 degrees. If the propeller has defects such as broken, the drone cannot fly stable. 9. Battery strap. The battery strap serves to tie or hold the battery so doesn't come out of. The quality of the battery strap is very important for high safety. And we need some wire and connector. Conclusion: in assembling a drone, our parts are incorrect. If there is one part that does not support it, the drone will be dangerous to fly. Maybe that's all from my presentation this time. Thank you very much for joining my presentation. If there is a word error, please forgive me. And The last, wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Safe flight guys.